What's up, everybody? If you're looking for a home decor idea and you want to spruce up your space on a budget, today we're going to be looking at some fake plants with solid stone pots. They are also available in black and they look super realistic, unlike some of the other artificial plants you may come across. Honestly, if someone saw these, they probably wouldn't realize they're fake. So if you're looking to add any elegance to any space, you're going to be satisfied. The artificial plants measure about 5.1 by 5.1 inches. The great thing about having fake plants is that you don't have to water them. You can move them from place to place. They're never going to fall out. They're never going to die. And they look absolutely stunning in any spot. To clean them, simply take a little water, and if it's a little dusty, just clean them with a damp cloth. You can see I'm using these plants on a cabinet here, and they're definitely adding some elegance into it. Not only that, they're pretty realistic to the touch. So you can get multiple types of plants as we did here. There's also a larger version that includes 3 plants. These kinds of pieces really add elegance to any space, whether it's your kitchen, bathroom, living room. They're pretty awesome and I definitely recommend them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.